Hey, the Lawful Nephilim here, walking into Spring Green Post Office, seeing if they respect my constitutional right. And I have legitimate business. I have a document here asking for 50 cents for no reason upon the document. So we'll see if they accept my constitutional right. Here we go. All right. How's it going? So, under the First Amendment protected activity, you are being recorded under my protection.
Why?
Why? Because I have legitimate business with you.
Deb?
I was reading that thing.
I'm
Sorry.
being recorded.
Under the Constitution, First Amendment, freedom of speech, freedom of press, we the
what
people.
reason?
For what reason? Just legitimate business upon this document that I received that has no implemented reason why I'm being paid 50 cents extra for having a mailbox that is already effectively there.
No, you got.
It's
So-
not for the mailbox.
No, it's not for mailbox. It's for a letter you got that was postage due, 50 cents.
Okay. All right. So why doesn't it say that postage due? So it says,
There's a note attached to it.
okay.
She must have put it in the wrong spot.
No,
Okay.
I gave it. It's his.
But I mean,
But
in,
there
on
was
the
no.
thing, there was.
There
it
was
should be
another
the-
note attached with a thing. I had a sticky note on it that had who it was from, who it was from, who it was to,
Okay.
blah blah blah. I don't remember now what it was, but yeah, 'cause I put it in there.
Okay, you did? There was no sticky note attached to this when I received it. I'm sorry.
Well, it was when I put it in there.
Okay. Do you know where the postage came from that
She's
the
got it
extra
right
charge came
here.
from? Okay.
From Missouri, Les Summit.
Okay, so when they mailed it, they didn't have a postage
They
stamp
didn't
on
have
there.
enough postage on it.
Enough
it needs
postage.
more.
Okay, it needs more.
Yeah.
Okay, is it possible that that individual gets billed rather than me?
You can
Because they
refuse
sent
it,
that?
and we'll
Refuse
send
it,
it
then it
back.
goes back.
Okay, then I am refusing this because there's no reason for me to pay an extra 50 cents for nothing that I've sent.
It's not that you sent it. It's
Right.
something coming to you.
And they didn't put enough postage on it.
Okay,
So
s-
since our rules are, if they put the first ounce on, it goes postage due ahead.
right.
If they don't put enough on for cover the first ounce,
Okay.
it goes back to the sender and they put the more on top.
Okay.
You have the right to
Yep.
refuse it.
Yep, I am
If that's
refusing
what you
it.
want to do, that is fine.
Yep.
It doesn't mean anything about you sending anything out. It's not against you at all.
It's just whether you want to pay
It's
to
just
receive
whether
this.
you want to pay the postage due that was short paid on this letter.
Okay. Yeah, I'm refusing because I never sent anything.
So I don't know why we have to be recorded for that.
You're a governmental agency. It's under
So?
the contract of the Constitution.
But
Any
why-
governmental
so
agency
I'm
under
gonna walk
that.
up to your house and I'm gonna record you. Is that? Can I do that then?
Can you be respectful of the public, though? I'm respecting you guys. I'm just telling you what the Constitution allows
But I'm
us to
just
do.
saying.
Why-
Is that
why
what
is
the ruling
there-
is? I can go to your house and record you too. Then, I mean, if I had to. I'm just asking.
It has to be from a public easement, so it is legal from the public
so
view.
what are you going to
So
do with this?
what I'm gonna do with it is part of my story of my channel, Lawful Nephilim, on YouTube and also Facebook as well. So it's legitimate business, freedom of the press, and
I
it is.
understand
They
that,
can
but
Right.
put my name and address on his channel.
You
you can call the inspectors and you can claim because of that fact. Because you do not want your personal information put out on
the company is liable for that privacy, not of the person that is recording from the public view, which is this is a public lobby.
I understand, but that's
Right.
a private name.
Yeah, I
You
know,
don't wanna
but
put
she
out.
has a choice of turning it over. It's not my doing at all.
But you were recording before I had the chance to do that.
Right, but that's the thing is that you don't have expectation of
That's
privacy
fine.
in public.
Let him do what he's got to do, and then I'll
Yep.
contact the proper authorities and get you.
Proper authorities for what? For a protected right of the Constitution? It's totally a constitutional right, ma'am. You don't have any expectation of privacy in public. That's literally it under the Constitution. And you guys have a memo law, Rule 7, right? Posted? Yeah, okay. So, right here. Public accessibility and public address. Members of, let's see. Members of the public are prohibited in lobbies and other interior areas open to the public. Public accessibility, public address, except when conducted business. Okay, well there you go. I'm protected under that. And vice and prohibited in lobbies and under interior areas open to the public. So basically, it's saying that I'm allowed to be in here of a constitutional right. Yep, and I have legitimate business discussing boss stamp that I was potentially being charged with, but I've refused. So now that that's been established, and I can leave, so I'm free to go, free to stay type deal. So they want to call the authorities, but yet if they get here or when, it doesn't matter. It's conspiracy against rights, USC Title 18 241, and defamation of character 242 against a cop, infringing upon a constitutional right in a public space. That's literally it. So I know they don't like their privacy, being what it is, but it is what it is under the Constitution. It's just a lack of knowledge upon the Constitution, guys. So I have legitimate business, and they're wanting to call the authorities, and we'll deal with it then, or the supervisor, or whoever. But this is what's gone over America, and this is what their illegal policy is, and against the Constitution, not knowing about it. And it pretty much shows. I respect everybody in here. It's just the law is the law, common law versus the law versus policies that can't be enforced by law enforcement, a color of law. So I'm just here dealing with just saying I refuse, and now they're calling somebody, and this is what long audit deals with. This is what everybody deals with, that they want to protect the constitutional rights and of the public, and it's all over YouTube. It's up to the educated to educate the uneducated. So I even cited where we are supposed to be in unrestricted areas, not filming in restricted areas. This is not a restricted area. They're liable of what they need to cover for privacy and shit like that, stuff that we're all battling right now. Title 18 U.S. Code identifies legal, criminal. Yep, here's all the. This is actually a constitutional here. Title 18 U.S. Code 1716 identifies legal, criminal liability for mailing harmful items through the mail. And that was implemented 1716 when they put arsenic in old mail cases and everything else and poisoned the public. That's from when that was. So, yep, I'm totally legal here conducting business, discussing about something of a refusal, and I've done my business. But now they're calling the authorities, I think. Hey, ma'am. Excuse me. Have you called somebody or authority or any sort? Okay, thank you so much. You guys have a great day. No. It's all good. Yep. I'm sorry, but yeah, that's a common law.
I heard that. You're sorry.
Yeah, I am sorry that's what you find is an inconvenience. It can be under Freedom of Press 2005. Why? Because of the protection of the public. I know, but this is what I can do. It's what I can do under common law. So, Yep. I know. It's just protecting the amendment, ma'am. You have a great day. Alright, they were kind of rude, but I mean, it is what it is. So, alright, Lawful Nephilim, y'all have a great day. Have a good one. And stay deputized, and we all know the constitutional rights. Y'all have a great day. Bye.